Laws of exponents. If we begin with looking at how to write 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 in a simpler form. We write them out, you've got 2 times 2 times 2 times by another 2 times 2. Altogether, there are 5 2's all multiplied together. So that's 2 to the power of 5. The quick way to do it is add the exponents. So a to the m times a to the n goes a to the m plus n. Similarly, if we divide, if we write out 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 2 in a long form like that, we've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 on the top and 2 times 2 on the bottom. We can cancel top and bottom. So we've got first 2's cancel and the next 2. So now we're left with 1 on the bottom and 2 times 2 times 2, which is simply just 2 cubed. So again with this one, when we divide, we subtract the powers. So a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the m minus n. Now if we get a power of a power, like 2 to the power of 4 cubed, that is just saying 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power times 2 to the power of 4. If we look back at our first rule about adding the powers and multiply, that simplifies to 2 to the power of 12. A quicker way has been just to multiply the exponents. So a to the m all to the power of n is just a to the power of m times n. One final law from this is if you do 2 cubed divided by 2 cubed, you get 2 to the power of 0 by doing 3 take away 3. But 2 cubed divided by 2 cubed simplifies to 1, because the 2's on the top can cancel, and that leaves us with 1. You do any number, anything to the power of 0 will always be 1. Okay, some examples now for us. 2 to the power of 5 times by 2 to the power of 6. Add the powers, 2 to the power of 11. 3 to the power of 7 times 3 to the power of 9. In add the powers, 3 to the power of 16. 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2. Subtract the exponents, so 6 take away 2 is 4, 3 to the power of 4. Then we have 10 to the power of 4, all cubed, with 10 to the power of 12. Also works with letters. Letters numbers exactly the same. So a to the 6 times a to the 7 is a to the 13. A to the power of 4 times a to the power of 2 divided by a cubed. Do the top first, gives us a to the power of 6 divided by a to the power of 3, which will give us a to the power of 3. And finally, a to the power of 6 to the power of 5 is a